Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can save network bandwidth in Windows 11. So I'll talk about network bandwidth when you are open or when you are using internet connection. Usually video can or video take a lot of bandwidth, and also image with high resolution take up a lot of bandwidth. So in order to minimize, there is a way. One of the way is try to turn on lower resolution of the video. So the first thing to do, you can go to the settings on your Windows 11 and you can click apps. Here there is a video playback option. You can click it, and the first option, save network bandwidth by playing video at lower resolution. So you can turn on this option. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.